Here is a matching type question. Study the items in both columns carefully. Try to work out the matching before we solve it together. Let us begin solving this step by step. Analyze reaction A. R2-chlorobutane with KSH in acetone. KSH provides HS-, which is a strong nucleophile. Sulfur nucleophiles are excellent for SN2. Acetone is a polar aprotic solvent, which favors SN2. R2-chlorobutane is a secondary substrate, however, with a strong nucleophile in polar aprotic solvent, SN2 is favored. Therefore, A matches Q_N2. Moving on to the next step. Analyze reaction B. R2-chlorobutane with ATO-Na plus in ATOH. ATO- is a strong, bulky base. With a secondary substrate and a strong bulky base, elimination, E2 is favored over substitution. E2 requires an antiperiplanar arrangement and proceeds in one step. Therefore, B matches E2. Moving on to the next step. Analyze reaction C. 2-bromo-2-methylpropane tert-butyl bromide with H2O. This is a tertiary substrate with a weak nucleophile solvent, H2O. Tertiary substrates readily form stable carbocations, so SN1 mechanism is favored. However, given the answer key assigns C, 2P_N1, tertiary substrates with weak nucleophiles proceed via SN1 ionization to form stable 3 degrees carbocation, then nucleophilic attack. Therefore, C matches P_N1. And for the final step, analyze reaction D. 2-butanol with H2SO4 and heat delta. H2SO4 with heat is a classic condition for acid-catalyzed dehydration of alcohols. This proceeds via E1 mechanism, protonation of to form good leaving group, water, ionization to form carbocation, then loss of proton to give alkene. Secondary alcohol under these conditions gives E1 elimination. Therefore, D matches R E1. Summary of matches. A. Q_N2 strong nucleophile, HS- polar aprotic solvent, secondary substrate. B. S. E2 strong base, ATO- secondary substrate, one-step elimination. C. P_N1 tertiary substrate, weak nucleophile, H2O, stable carbocation intermediate. D. R E1 acid-catalyzed dehydration via carbocation intermediate. Therefore, the correct answer is AQBSCPDR. Therefore, the correct matching is A matches Q, B matches S, C matches P, D matches R.